To demonstrate the uses of this product, I'm going to break into two parts. This is the first part where I would be simply showing how to configure the product and templates, etc. So to do that, you simply have to log in. Take the URL app2.legitai.com. Simply log in to the platform, and when you log into the platform, you would basically be logging into your organization. You would not get this pop-up, but you would simply be landing over here on this page. From this page, you have to go to settings, go to org settings, and then within the org setting, you go to content and doc settings, go to the templates. Now, when you go to the templates, this is the place where you are going to upload your templates. What do you mean by upload a template? Basically, anything document that you consider as a base that you want to review against it. So, for example, if I have a Bloomsbury template that I want to compare or review against along with the playbook. So to do this, you simply go to the add. Now these things are, since it's another ERP, so you simply have to just do all, or maybe choose agreement type, just type agreement active, make it a benchmark, and then say it's Bloomsbury base template. I'll say version 7 for now, so that I know how to show it. And then template for the reviewing the agreements effective. Let's say I just want to keep some information. I will upload the template. To upload the template, you simply go and pick up the Word document. It will take some time because it's trying to review this document at this point of time. There are other features that are available, but for now we will simply skip that. You also want to attach the playbook. Now this playbook, when you attach to this template, it will be only specific to this template. So that means that for every playbook you can have a different every template you can have a different playbook. So you can type simple what you need to review and things, and define guidelines. What I have done is that what I received from Peter, I simply converted it to a playbook like this, and I can share that with you. But this is how you do that, and you can actually, this is how you tell this is your core job is to this. How do you review? What is the step 1 you would do? What is the step 2 you would do? Step 3 is step 4, etc., etc. That would do, and then you simply save the playbook. And this playbook can be changed. You can change it at whenever you want. Then click on close, and then we click on add. Okay, now when we do this add, what it has done, it has basically uploaded the template that you would be able to see when you are doing the Word add-in review. So this is the first part. First part is complete. Now anybody who is part of your team and organization will have access to this template. So I'm switching now to the how actually the review would happen. The setup part is done. So to do the review, let's say that I have received this document from Bloomsbury, which I want to review with the standard one. To do that, you basically have to click on this Legitt. This is an add-in that we can, I'll show you how to add it. You click on add-in over here. If not, then simply search it, and then click at here. So you will get some page like this, and then you simply search Legitt. When you search Legitt, you will get this something called Legitt AI Office Tools. You click on add. When you click on add, this will appear like this here, Legitt AI Tools. You click on this Legitt AI Tools, and this is a one-time activity. Once you have added it, it will always be there. You simply log in. Okay. Now when you log in, I will simply log in and sign in. You won't get this pop-up since I have multiple companies that demonstrate, so I have this. All right, so you can actually chat and ask from this place also here, but the use case that I was given, you would see this icon over here, the document icon, and then here you'll see comparison. Now when you do the comparison, you can actually choose the template against which you want to review, or you can upload your own file also that you can compare with. So for the purpose of this demo, And this is how the most of the setups are going to be. We will have those base documents uploaded once. So you click on this upload once, and then you see compare. Now, what this compare is doing, it's actually breaking this whole analysis into two parts. The first part is where it is simply comparing the values that has been changed in the document. Something have been added, something have been deleted, everything. It's comparing with the base document and highlighting it over. For example, in this case, it's saying that it has found some insertion and the value was added over here. There is another insertion that in Bloomsbury publishing ink, and then something has been the date has been changed, so something has been deleted. uh, you know this is pure comparison, value based comparison. So for example, this was something got deleted, things like that. That way it will highlight what specifically to look for, if that is correct or not. So if there is something inserted, something deleted, like that, it will show uh, on each of those comments that you see. That is the only the first part. The second part, what it is doing right now, is it actually going through the playbook step by step and updating the comments based on the playbook that was given, the instruction that it was given to it. Okay, so you see, there are 13 missing details found, 20, at 25 places the analysis was done. So the difference between the second analysis is that when the second analysis happens, you would see something like, say, playbook analysis. It will be basically your name and the playbook analysis. And when you click on this, it will tell you what was the change. It says, saying that, okay, lack of explicit prohibition on AI training. Contract must explicitly prohibit AI training because playbook requires that, but it is not there. So that is something which you have to do. What is the risk, what is the action, what is the celestial language that you want to do, you know so that is something you need to figure it out. Likewise, if you look at go slightly down here, there is again no royalties or promotional things at the end. And if you click on it, it will actually show what are the actions that you need to do. So likewise, it will complete the playbook analysis that can be changed. It probably is thinking some of the things which is missing over here. This may or may not be applicable depending on how playbook does, but that's how it has been. It will show you. At the same time, there are something which you want to check. There is nothing additional coverage, etc. So that will figure out something which is not there. So that's the complete process of how you set up the base documents and playbook and how you use it to analyze various documents. Now let's say I have analyzed it, I have made changes, I want to remove all the comments. I can simply click on this, and then it will remove all the comments. Or I want to start a new comparison, I can again simply click on the start new comparison. So that's the overall process that we need to use. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. Now you have my email address, or else just message me via Peter. Thanks. Bye.